Hello, welcome to the ULT Phone channel. Monster Hunter is a hugely popular action role-playing game where players hunt down giant monsters in epic battles. The game relies heavily on location-based mechanics. If you want to hunt more rare monsters, then you have to move your location. It may be easy for Android users to directly use the location spoofing app, but it is difficult for iOS users to have a reliable tool. If you also want to control the joystick at will, go wherever you want to find rare monsters, then a safe and reliable location changing tool is essential. We'll take a look at the most effective tools for Monster Hunter Now spoofing, which called ULT Phone iOS Location Changer. It allows you to alter the GPS location on your iPhone, granting you the freedom to virtually teleport anywhere in the game, without physically moving. So follow me to install and open it on your computer, then connect your iPhone to your PC. Here are the 4 functions. Feature 1, change location. Feature 2, single spot movement. Feature 3, multi-spot movement. Feature 4, joystick movement. You can use any of them in your game as needed. Here is an introduction to one of the most commonly used functions in the game, joystick movement. You can see your location on the map and zoom in and out to observe. Here you can drag the slider to adjust the movement speed. And then you can see the joystick controller. Just click it to move. It should be noted that the moving speed should not be too fast, otherwise you will easily be warned. If you want to return to the real location, just click the icon on the lower right or restart the device. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.